Westbrook, another. What the fuck? Why are you shooting, dude?
How many points does he have?
Oh
my
my
god.
right now.
Oh my god, I can't
Yeah,
believe
never
Gaffer
mind.
just did that! Holy shit, that was crazy! Wow. Eric, that was wild. That spin was crazy work.
Nah, dude, they fucking just took an 11-point lead now, dude. Westbrook, man.
Dude, Westbrook has 1 point.
Oh my god, bro. He get over 6, dude, 1 point, dude. He's about to get clowned on fucking. Oh,
Him, if you took his under with D'Lo, man, you'd be
Oh
so
my
good.
God.
Oh, no.
Ugh.
Dude. Oh, they got it to 6 and then fucking 5-point turnaround.
Eric, I'm gonna keep it a beam with you, bro.
I don't know, man. That
Might be
5
close,
is
my boy.
fucking looking crazy. Dude, why is Westbrook in the fucking game? Please tell me why.
The Athletics ended up winning, bro. Oh,
No
man,
way.
that's crazy. Yeah, they did. They won. Oh, shit.
Oh shit.
Oh, well. Oh, well. Profit's profit. Oh, all good.
They actually won? No
They actually
fucking
won.
way.
Yeah, they did win. Yeah, they did. They did win.
Wow.
It's crazy. They won
Oh,
in
the Bears are about to.
inning.